Friday, everyone. I'm ANNBIRCHARD. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to make a really simple, quick card using Forever Fern and the Forever Greenery Designer Series paper. So let's make this card. I'm going to start off with Whisper White. I've cut it to 5.5, scored it at 4 1/4, fold it over, grab my bone, give it a nice crease. Now, I've already cut the Designer Series paper, and that measures 4 1/4 by 2.5. And then I took one of the gold metallics and I cut it at 1/4 by 4 1/4. Now all I'm going to do is just place this here for now. I'm not going to adhere it. And then I'm going to stamp the sentiment. You can do this. And I want to make sure it's kind of centered here on the top portion. And commit. Remember not to rock, straight up, straight down. Now I can move these aside. Then I'm going to come in with this fern. I don't know if it's a fern or a leaf. And then I'm just going to go all the way around. And I'm using Pear Pizzazz. For the sentiment, I used Pretty Peacock. And everything that I've used will be in the description below with the links for you to shop. My store is open 24/7. Makes it nice and easy no matter what time zone you're in. And you can go back and fill in as much as you want. It's your card. I think I want this corner up here. There we go. And now I'm going to bring out my silicone mat so then I can glue the back. I'll be using the Stampin' Seal. Remember to pull towards you and flick. Pull towards and flick. That's plenty. And we're going to line it up on the bottom. I think there's an up and a down. It's your card. You do what you want. Line it up on the side and the bottom. And then bring in this gold metallic. This is so pretty. Just adds a touch. And flick. Touch of sparkle. I'll finish my sentence. Sorry. Again, line it on the side and on top. Give it a press. Now if there's any glue on top, just rub with your finger and it'll come right off. There we go. Now of course it's not done. We need to add a little bling to this. So I'm going to be using the 12 tidings. I'm going to be using the green because it has a really pretty gold fleck in it. And that'll tie in with this gold band. Remember, odd numbers. 1, 2, and 3. Kind of centers your eye towards that. That's it. Did you time me? I think that was like 5 seconds. It didn't take long. So remember, if you want to get on my mailing list to receive my newsletter, text ANNBIRCHARD, one word, to the number 22828. And I send out newsletters at least once a month. I'm going to try to do at least twice a month. I have to get my act in gear. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.